Today, we've got the perfect gift idea for anyone who works, commutes, or plays out in the cold. Take a look at the ColdWork Heated Gloves from Mechanix Wear. On the outside, they have the premium build quality you've come to expect from Mechanix Wear. Constructed with a stretchable, water-resistant shell surrounding a 133-gram PrimaLoft gold insulation. The fingers and palm have a layer of padlock grip silicone to provide excellent grip even in wet conditions. Combine that with the touchscreen capable fingertips and you've got yourself a really solid glove on your hands. But I haven't even gotten to the best part yet. These gloves are heated using Clim8 technology. This system is the leading edge when it comes to heated gear, as it automatically senses your hand as you put the glove on and begins heating instantly, self-regulating with the internal temperature sensors. And thanks to the dedicated app, you'll never have to worry about your mitts getting too hot or too cold. You can also let the gloves know what activity you are doing, and they will adjust their heat output accordingly. But don't worry, you don't always need to have your phone handy for these gloves to heat up. Once you have set your temperature preferences, they work entirely on their own. Everything has been extensively tested in the Clim8 lab, so even in the harsh Canadian cold, you can trust these gloves to keep your fingers from turning to icicles. As you continue to use your gloves, Clim8 will evolve to your needs and provide a truly personalized heated experience, extending battery life and ensuring your hands are always the perfect temperature. And once you are in from the cold, you can simply remove the gloves from your hands and they will automatically switch to sleep mode, consuming next to no power. But if you're not going to be using them for a while, it is recommended to unplug the battery. Battery runtime will vary depending on a number of factors. But if you find that you need just a bit more warmth to get through the workday, we also have additional batteries on our shelves and ready to go. So if you or someone you know is tired of freezing their fingers, stuff their stocking with a pair of Mechanix Wear ColdWork Heated Gloves. Tell me about a time where you wish you had these gloves. Like and comment below and subscribe to the channel for more awesome feature products. Have a great Canadian day.